Hi guys, welcome back to my messy desk, my messy hands, the whole 9 yards. I am just literally jumping on here very quickly tonight because I have been working on some embellishments for the Tim Holtz journal that we are working on, and I created this digital kit here. And I was like, you know what? I don't even want to wait to share it with you guys, because if you guys are doing the same thing, you might want to get this kit. Let me show it to you. This is some of the stuff that I've done with the kit, but let me show you the kit first, and then I'll show you a little bit of what I've done. So it's 8 pages. So it's 4 different pages, but one page has got like a coffee dyed background. I didn't do it real dark. And then the other page is a white background. So right here beside each other, you can see the difference. So this is one of them here, and so this is just the large numbers, and they're like this one's, there's this set here, and then this set is a little more grungy, and then this one's like a black and white set, and that's what this is right here. That's what this one is from. And then I just added some what is this, sparks or something, I don't know. I added some of that kind of stuff to it. So that's page 1, and then page 2 is the white background. You know, if you're wanting to save the ink, you know, print it this one, because you can ink it up, but you know, I knew that some people might want the coffee dyed background. And then we have these right here, and so these are like the block letters. I have got plans for what I'm going to do with some of mine. So I'm like, you know, because at first I was just doing this digital for me because I needed this. And then I'm like, wait a minute, this is too cool. I have to list this. And so this is a grungy block letter. As you can see, it's kind of, see how it's kind of faded out in there. So this one's the coffee dyed, and then this one is the one on the white background. And then there's this one, and so these are the same, they're the grungy letters, but they're a little smaller. And then there's these, and let me show you what I've done with these. If I can find my scissors, guys. I have done these, and I'm just going to cut this right here like this for a minute, because I want to show you guys this. I have done these to where these cut perfectly out with the 3/4 inch hole punch. So you just line it right up and cut them out. Well, you got to get close enough to the thing because I didn't cut it good enough. So that's what I was trying to do, because I wanted some of those little the little metal tags is what I really wanted. And you know, I'm looking and I'm like, and to be honest, I'm very impatient, and they wouldn't get here until like Friday or Saturday, and I'm like, forget that, I'm not waiting that long. So I created these, and then with me being able to cut them out with the hole punch, like, you know, the little circle punch, it is perfect. And so I do have like the metallic paints, and so if I really wanted it to look, you know, like the metal ones, I could take this silver metallic paint and go around the edge of them. But I'm not real sure, excuse me, exactly what I'm going to do. So as you can see, they're just very, very grungy. They're very, I love these, absolutely love these. So that's what I have here, if I can find them all. So that they've cut out perfectly with the 3/4 inch hole punch. That's for these right here and this page here. So these pages are the same, like I said, but it's just one is got like a darker background, and then this is on a white background. I will link these in the description box below. Because that's the whole reason I wanted to get on here. I was just so excited to share it with you guys because I just thought they were so cute. And I was just like so proud of myself to get these done. I'm like, yes, I have to show them. So that's what I'm doing. So let me just get a couple more cut out. And then we will see what we can do. And I'll show you what I've done. Because, you know, we have a lot of places in our Tim Holtz journal that we're doing that we need to put stuff and hang stuff. Excuse me. And not even just hang stuff, you know, that I might want to put something, you know, like, let me see. Here's one that I've got cut out right here. So I might want to take and put this like right there. You know, so that's what my thought was, is that I wanted to do some stuff. Not just, you know, the typical ephemera like I normally make. I wanted some more stuff like this. So that's what I've done. And let me just show you. Now for these, I just took a piece of that thin chipboard and I just backed them so that they would have that really good thickness to them. So they would feel very industrial, I guess you could say. And then I... oh, getting my ball pin stuck. Then I just put one of the really small eyelets in it, and I put a couple of them together. Excuse me. Now, what I'm thinking about, now whether it's going to work or not, I don't know, but let me just show you what my thought was. Let me get this page over here. So I wanted to do like these here. Let me see. I'm just going to cut like a couple of letters out and I'll show you what my thought is. Whether this is going to work or not, I don't know. It would probably work better if I cut it out better, but guys, y'all should know me by now. I'm just too excited to try and get it cut out right. And I really should back these because I'm going to be using... okay, I'll take the time to back them because I want to show y'all what my plan is on doing with them, and then if it does work out, I'd be really upset if I went through all that trouble and then they weren't something that I could really use because I didn't back them. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to take the time to actually back them, I think. Okay, what did I get out? I don't even know which ones I cut out. Okay. These are, I put fly. First, love yourself. That's what my little thing is that I'm saying. So I am just going to glue them down first before I ink them or anything. Because I will want my cardstock to be inked as well. So I'm just going to glue them down. And guys, I am in a mess. Y'all see how messy my desk is, how messy my hands are. This is all because this is what I do before I do the tutorials that y'all see. I've already went through all of this process ahead of time because I'm making, you know, I don't remember everything that I've done in the first journal, so I'm having to like recreate everything so that I can show you guys what to do. So when I get done with the journals, I know for a fact that I will have 2 to go on Etsy. And I'm hoping at the rate we're going, it's a good possibility that they could post for sale either Saturday or Sunday. But before I post them, I will let you guys know the exact date and time that I will post them. Because I've already had several people inquire about them if they were for sale, and yes, they will be for sale. And you know, to be fair, I'm not gonna, you know, I'm gonna do it like that, so it's just, you know, whoever gets to it first. So I will tell you that if this is something that you are wanting, you might better be setting on go whenever the listing goes live, because I know several people that have their hearts set on this. So we shall see. And you know, I will make some more in the future, but I'm not sure when I'm going to take the time to make them again, because this has been the only thing that I have done, because it is very it's not hard. I don't think it's hard in the least. It's just, it takes, especially doing the tutorial videos too, it's taken a lot of time, because, well, it probably wouldn't have taken so long if I had remembered what all I done. Let's just be honest there. If I wasn't so forgetful, we would be okay. But I'll be forgot again by next week, so I don't know who I'm kidding, acting like it would make a difference. Because it wouldn't. Because I'm so forgetful. Alright, so I just inked those up a little bit. I'm even inking the back. Now I could put something on the back. I could put some stamping on the back. And that may be something that I'll do at some point. But tonight I am not going to do that. Let me see. Where is my paint? I'm just going to paint a little bit along the edge, just to kind of show you. And this is, I have silver, but it's over in the drawer, and this is just what's on my desk. So this is what we're going to use. This is 24 karat gold, it says. So I'm just like with my finger, which is why I look like such a mess right now. I'm just taking and like going around the edge of it. And I don't care if it gets on it. I don't care if it gets on the back. You know, that kind of all adds to it. And you don't have to use your fingers. But like I said, I'm being a lot lazy. My brush, oh, actually my brush I think is right down here on my left hand side. Oh well, too late now. I thought it was over against in the shelf over there, but I just realized that I had put them over here. But my hands are already glued up, so why not just keep going with it. I think I do have a wet wipe that I am going to try and use. See, I'm going to try and be a little bit better. Okay. Just because it's feeling really nasty right now. It's not cleaning them, but at least they're not like sopping wet right this minute. Okay, so what I've done, and this is what my thought process is whatever. Okay, so I'm going to punch a little hole in it. And I don't care if the holes line up or not, because that's all part of the vintagey aspect fun of this little journal that we're creating. Okay, and then I have these little bitty eyelets that I'm going to put in there. Maybe. If I can get it done. Half the time I can't see to get the eyelets set in there properly, and then I end up having to take it out. Okay, so that one done pretty good. Let's see how this one does. And I will show y'all what my thought was. One more. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see. Everybody hold your breath. Hold your breath, everybody. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Boom. Ah, I done it. Whoop, whoop. I done it. Yes. Okay. So I have those three letters that's, you know, FLY, which a lot of people say it stands for First Love Yourself. So my thought was to just like put them onto this little ball pen like this and have that in my journal. You know, or I could do like my initial, you know, or your initials, whatever. I just thought that was really cute. I really, really, really like this. And I do have a few more digitals that I'm trying to work on that's mainly geared because of working on this journal. It was stuff that I was like, okay, I need this in my journal. I looked, I couldn't find what I wanted, and if I can't find what I want, I'll just create it. So that's what I've done. Or I'm still in the process of the others. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you all go so that I can get back to working on the journal so that I can have a video up for you guys for tomorrow. But I just had to jump on here and show y'all this amazing new digital that is now in my Etsy store. I absolutely love, love, love it. You know what? I should have done some letters like this too. I may go back and do some letters as well. I don't know. I'll see what I'm probably not going to do that before I finish this journal because I get lost. If I'm creating digitals, then I just get off on little, well, whatever I do, I'm always off on little rabbit trails. But anyway, guys, I will let you all go so y'all can get back to doing what you need to do, and I'll get back to doing what I need to do. And while I'm thinking about it, I've had a couple of people ask about the measurements, and they because a lot of the times in the journal I've just folded. I will, after we get everything done and before we start on the right side of the journal, I will probably try to come back on here and give you the measurements of what my stuff is. Yours doesn't have to be the same, but if those measurements help you out, I will come back and we will measure it, and that's just what we'll do for that one video. So just let me know in the comments below if that is something that you're interested in, is just knowing the measurements of everything that I've done up to this point. So anyway, guys, I've got to run if I'm going to get this video done and ready for in the morning. I will see you all later. I will leave the link to these down below. Rush over and grab your set so that you can also add these to your amazing journal. Bye, guys.